What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. If y'all already can't tell by the title of the video, today we're gonna be heading to a car meet around 7. It's a little early right now, but what we about to do right now is about to head to the car wash. Gotta get the car ready for the meet. Make sure it's shiny, clean. So I'm gonna hit y'all boys up when I'm at the car wash. Alright, y'all boys, I'm back. I ain't at the car wash yet, but I wanted to give y'all a little POV driving video to the car wash. A little something, just to make the video a little longer. And I know y'all gonna ask how I got a SRT8 page with the 345. I had to do the ODB method, bruh. I ain't just do it for the SRT8 page. I also did it for the sports mode because my car ain't come with sports mode. So it's like, why not just get both at the same time? So I just did that, huh? But let me let y'all hear the car. Let me know if y'all can hear it real quick. I ain't trying to do too much because these cops out here be hiding. And earlier there was traffic up here. I don't know what's going on. But I ain't going into traffic. I'm gonna go take that way. Ain't tripping. Too much traffic for me. Yeah, I was not going down there. I know some RTs come with like the paddle shifters. They were like saying if your RT don't come with like a paddle shifter, your shit won't come with sports mode. Cause I had a homeboy and he had a white one and his shit came with like with paddle shifters and sports mode and everything. So that's the main reason why I got the ODB too, just to like be able to have sports mode. I know it don't even do shit, just make the gears go faster, but you know, having it makes you feel good, bruh. No doubt. That shit just feels good. And it looks clean as hell, bruh. Tell me that shit don't look clean. Oh, I see a Camaro coming. Oh, shit. I don't know. That shit didn't even sound loud. Y'all hear a little squeaking sound, bro? Don't think it's my car, it's my AC vent over there, bro. It's like, I don't know, it's been doing that ever since I got the car. I gotta get it checked out, but I just been lazy. Oh, I just saw a purple wide body. I think I know who it is too. A purple wide body Challenger. I think I know who it is. Hold on. See it no more. But alright, boys, I'll catch y'all once I get to the car wash.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all boys, I'm at the car wash. I was gonna do the do-it-yourself one, but it was like packed, bro. Like, it's hot. Everybody out today washing their whip and shit. But I'm at the one where the shit don't touch your car, so I think I'll be straight. I haven't took this car under this one since I got it, so hopefully wash this shit good, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do after the car wash. I might just go by a lake or something, take a couple videos of the car from my Instagram and TikTok. If y'all don't know my Instagram, I'm gonna put it right here on the video. Also with my TikTok. So y'all can go show some love to my social media pages and all that, bro. I'll be posting every day. I post like every 2 days or so on fucking like Instagram. TikTok not that much, because my main focus right now is like on Instagram and growing, getting sponsors. So if you're watching this video and you're trying to sponsor me, bro, hey, hit me up on Instagram. I'm down. I'm trying to get some sponsors and all that. But yeah, I'm at a car wash right now. And if y'all want some decals, bro, I'm gonna put the Instagram under the video to go hit up for some decals. Very reasonable. She will hit you. She will get you right with some good prices. So just let her know I sent you. She makes good decals. She's the one on my wicker built too. So just hit her up. She make good decals for the low. Reasonable, bro. She won't break your pockets or nothing. Just depends on the size you want and the length. So I'll hit y'all boys back up right after this wash is done and I'm somewhere about to take some videos or whatever. I'll hit y'all boys back up, man.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all boys, we at a little park. I'm gonna shoot some little videos and shit for TikTok and Instagram. But let me know how y'all think the car wash this junk. Cause look, I got a cat that be jumping on my car. It's still on there and all that. I wouldn't recommend going on to that, bro. I would say just do all that yourself, to be honest. Cause just wasted $10 when I could use at least less than $10 to wash this shit myself. But I ain't complaining. It's a little better though than what it was. But yeah, I'm gonna take some videos and shit for Instagram, and I'll hit y'all boys back up. Alright, y'all boys. I just got done taking the pictures and videos for Instagram and TikTok. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna head back home and wait until it's closer to the time for the meet to start to like hit y'all boys back up. So I'm gonna hit y'all boys back up. I'm gonna start playing the video, continue the video and everything around the time the car meet's supposed to start, or when I'm about to pull up into the car meet. But I'm gonna look at this Corvette. That shit clean. But yeah, boys, I'm gonna hit y'all up when I'm heading to the meet. See y'all boys till then, bro. Alright, y'all boys, we're about to head to the meet right now. It's around like 6:30. Bro, don't mind the rims. I'm getting those changed soon. But I went ahead and put on my mount. I don't got the camera, but that shit's coming. But I'm gonna catch y'all boys once I'm on the road heading to the meet. Alright, y'all boys, we're finally on the road. Been sitting at this light for the longest, waiting for this shit to turn green. Oh shit, my phone just fell. But the meet's like 20 minutes away, so I probably won't be recording the whole drive there. Or I'll probably just give y'all boys a little pull and all of that shit. Then I end the video until I get closer to the meet. But let's activate the sports mode real quick.
In about 15 miles, take exit 80 onto State Route 99 and New Salem Highway.
This motherfucker ain't trying to let me over. I'm gonna give y'all boys like a little pull and all them shits. See, I can hear how the whip sounding. And all I got done to it right now is just straight pipe. I haven't started working on performance yet because I just been doing like looks and all that shit, trying to get ready for the meet. But once I'm finished with all the exterior looks, bro, trust, performance is next. For sure, one time. Performance gotta be next. Y'all call these 5.7 slow, but just wait. I ain't just gonna put it up to like 600 horsepower. I'm going for the highest I can go. I know these state troopers up here be on dick, so yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all boys, we finally at the meet. Got some crazy ass bills here, man. Bro, these shit so clean. They got some crazy ass bills up here, bro. Crazy as hell. Look at this 370Z. Nice as fuck.
See, I need what you got.
5.0. I'll get this shit. Goblin right here, bro. Ain't too much. Something a little slight. Something slight. Crazy as hell, bro. Nice here too. Nice ass rims. Yep, this shit. Ah, y'all hear the cops coming, bro. These motherfuckers coming already. Well, y'all boys, this car meet was a W, bro. Always deep as fuck. I'm telling you, y'all boys got to pop out to one of these meets. Alright, y'all boys, that's the end of the whole car meet thing. That's the end of this vlog of the little car meet video. Let me know what next y'all would like to see. If y'all would like to see more car meet videos, if me even doing them better than how I did this little video. Let me know if y'all want to see some vlogs. I know one thing for sure though, I'm gonna be dropping POV videos. Like driving POV videos, I'm gonna definitely be dropping those. Just waiting on the right equipment to come in, cause I can't be holding the camera the whole time while I'm trying to cut up and make sure I ain't gonna hit nobody. Feel what I'm saying? So with that being said, y'all boys, that's the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed the little something I throw together for y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.